lines from point slope diagonal only. So that means that we don't have to worry about vertical and horizontal lines. So the question here is, what is the equation of the line that passes through the point 5, 6 and has a slope of 3/5? Well, the nice thing about this is that we really could just use point slope form without having to do much math at all, right? So point slope form is y minus my y coordinate, which in this case is 6, and then my slope, which is 3/5, times, in parentheses, x minus my x coordinate, which is 5. Let's see if Delta Math likes it. And they do. Now, Delta Math did it in slope-intercept form, right? They reminded you of what the slope-intercept form is. They plugged in, then they plugged their point in, and solved to find the b, right, by using those inverse operations. And we just did it in point slope form, which is a little faster and easier, right? Just a reminder, point slope form, right, is that y minus your y coordinate equals your slope times x minus your x coordinate, right? Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, right? And that's when you're using the point x1, y1. Cool. So for this one, we could just go ahead and type in y minus my y coordinate, which is 6, equals my slope times x minus my x coordinate, which in this case is 5, right? Because my point's always given to me x comma y. And submit. Yep, and Delta Math liked it, okay? So they're taking it in that slope-intercept form. So if that's easier for you to write, then go ahead and write it all out. If you would rather, go through the whole process of writing in point slope form, if you'd rather go through the whole process of finding in slope-intercept form, you can certainly do that too.